Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you the activity binder that I've made for my daughter Navina, who is 22 months old. I'm not sure how all of these activities will fit into this binder, and I'm not sure how to store them, but I do think it's helpful for you to see the limitations of how somebody else has put these items together. So I'm going to go through each and every activity. They're all educational, and I hope it inspires you to create some interesting activities for your toddler. I do think it's important to mention that I have gotten all of these activities for free, mainly on a blog called From ABC to ACT and another blog called taughtschooling.net. So I will link both of them in the description box below. All you have to do is download them and put them on cardstock and assemble them yourself. So let's get started. I'm going to go through each and every activity so you can get an idea of what I've included in this binder. I bought each of these pocket protectors from Amazon, and I wanted to set up the binder in such a way that we could just easily pull out each activity and use it independently. I didn't want all of these things to be put into a variety of different boxes. I felt like it would be more consolidated in a binder. So the first activity I have is called Build a Cake with Beginning Sounds. And this I got, I believe, from ABC to ACT. And here you have lowercase letters, uppercase letters, and corresponding pictures. And all you have to do is build the cake. You would take all these pieces out. With Navina, I would probably start with just 5 letters. And then as she gets older, I would use all 26. This next activity is called More or Less Cards. And I plan on using them with Navina's counting bears. What you do is you pull these out. So for example, the child will pull out this card and put the corresponding number of bears on each card, and then transfer them to this right here and talk about which side has more, which side has less. You can even do a little bit of addition. So I think this will be great for her in terms of counting and number fluency. The next 3 activities are all rhyming matching games. So here you have these 2 cards as well as the corresponding pieces. And what I did is I printed this out, I laminated it on cardstock, and then I included these Velcro dots that I got from Amazon. And then I put Velcro dots on the back of these pieces as well. So with B would go tree, tie, pie. So this is the rhyming game. The next activity is called Dinosaur Color and Pattern Matching. And here, it's very simple. You just take out the pieces, and the child matches the dinosaur with the corresponding egg that has the same color and the same pattern. As such, that's a color matching game. The next activity is really important for beginning reading skills, and what it includes is nursery rhymes that the child has to put in sequential order. So I have 3 nursery rhymes here: Itsy Bitsy Spider, Hickory Dickory, and 3 Blind Mice. And all the pieces that go along with it. So you sing the song with your child, and then the child decides in what order these pictures should go. And that really helps when it comes to sequencing and telling a story from beginning to end. In this pocket, I have Jack and Jill, Baba Black Sheep, Hey Diddle Diddle, and Humpty Dumpty. But it's the same concept, putting nursery rhymes in sequential order. Okay, here I have school-themed number sense cards. And this is one of those activities that Navina won't be able to use in its entirety right now. but she will at some point. So you put out one of these backpacks, and she can't read this number yet. She can't read numbers when they're written out as words, but she can count, and she can recognize numbers when written in numeral form. And so each backpack comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different cards. One card has the number on it. One card has fingers on it that a student can count. One card has tally marks. One card has the grid on it, and one card has dice on it. And so I've chosen to store these in little Ziploc bags. For now, Navina could definitely put these two together. She could look at that and say that it's 6, and then find the corresponding pair of dice that would add up to 6. I think it's just so great that people put some of this stuff for free on their blogs so that people can use it. All you have to do is print them out, laminate it, or you can even just print it out and use it as a one-time activity. Okay, the next activity is sequencing the days of the week, and it's very simple. All that's in here are the days of the week, and the child would need to put them in order. The next activity is called 5 Little Monkeys, and it goes with the 5 Little Monkeys Jumping on a Bed song. And with it comes all of these monkeys that you put on the bed. And as you sing, you pull the monkeys off. So when you say 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed, one fell off and bumped his head, so you take that monkey off. And then as you continue singing, you take the monkeys off and you change the numbers in the corner. So this activity comes with numbers and numbers written as words. And so I could see Navina using this right now with the numbers, and then later on using them with the words. The next activity is a cookie number matching game that again has both numbers and words. So this is the cookie jar. On this side it has the words, on this side it has numbers. And so the child will count the number of chocolate chips on the cookie and put them on the corresponding circle as such. Just like that. And then when Navina learns how to read, she can use this side. Okay, and that brings me to the file folder games that I created. I wanted to put them in the binder just like this, so I hole punched one of them, and I wanted them all to fit in the back, but I realized that it was actually a little bit difficult to flip them and store them this way. They're just kind of clunky. So I did it for one of them, but I have all of these over here that I made that I have not found a way to store yet. So if you have any ideas, please let me know. These file folder games are also from the blog that I'll post in the description box below. Okay, so the first file folder game is called Matching Colorful Socks. When you open it, looks like this. One of each pair of socks is glued directly to the folder, and the other one you put a Velcro dot on and then stick it right there. So this makes for a great portable game. The next game I have is called Popcorn Number Sense. This is really cute. So this opens up into a giant popcorn container like this. And in the middle, you put a number. And then this is a lot like that backpack game where it comes with numbers, it comes with dice, and it comes with grids and fingers and tally marks. And then you use all of these to show the number that is indicated right here. And so with each number comes 6 different cards. Sorry, 5 different cards. Just like that. So again, Navina's probably not ready for this level, but she could at least show that that's a 4 and count that as 4 as well. As of now, I just have the pieces in here like this with a Ziploc bag, and they're just sitting here, and I'm still trying to figure out how to store them in an efficient way. Okay, the next activity is called Put Out the Fire. It's a beginning sound file folder game. And here you've got all the letters of the alphabet and corresponding pictures that have beginning sounds that match up with each letter of the alphabet. And I put Velcro on the back of these too, so that Navina can stick them on like that. She's definitely not ready for this game, but hopefully she'll be studying phonics over the next couple of years. That's Put Out the Fire. The next one is a coin sorting money math file folder game, where the child learns how to recognize pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. These are a lot bigger than actual pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters, but that's okay. This game is called Matching Antonyms. This is a great game, I think, for teaching opposites. So this present is closed, and here it is open. This is clean, this is dirty or muddy. This is inside, this is outside. This is empty, this is full. This is back, this is front. This is happy, this is sad, etc. That's Matching Antonyms. Okay, and the last game I have for you is called Cookie Jar Letter Sorting. And with this game comes all of these little cookies that you can sort into uppercase and lowercase. And you would just lay the letters out. As such. And this also, for now, I'm just storing in a Ziploc bag and putting the Ziploc bag inside the folder. So those are the activities that I've put together for my daughter. It took quite some time, and I'm still not sure how I'm going to store them in a way that is efficient and easy to categorize and find all of the pieces. So if you have an idea, please let me know. I would also really like these activities to be portable, because we often go to her grandparents' house, and I would like to just, take this with us and then have a wide variety of games to play with. So if you have any ideas about that, please let me know in the description box below. I hope this inspires you to put something together for your children. The websites that I'm going to link below have so many free activities for pre-K and toddler years, even up through high school. So please take a look. It's been really great taking a look at some of these blogs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.